Hey there, today we are excited to cover the Uneekor EYE XR launch monitor. The Uneekor EYE XR is a new ceiling-mounted launch monitor from Uneekor that was released back in April of 2025. In this video, we wanted to walk you through our official review of the EYE XR. We're covering things like ease of setup, software options, accuracy, and comparing the EYE XR to other ceiling-mounted launch monitors. Let's get into it. Ease of setup. The EYE XR is mounted 3.5 feet behind the center of your hitting surface and needs to be at least 10 feet high with a 10-foot maximum. The EYE XR includes proper mounting plate and screws to attach the unit to your ceiling. Power and connectivity. One of the biggest advantages to using the EYE XR is the new PoE, or Powered by Ethernet connection. You no longer need to have power on your ceiling for your launch monitor with the EYE XR. This is a major improvement over other ceiling-mounted launch monitors. The PoE connection allows for data transfers to your PC and power to your unit all in one cable, so no more cable clutter for your ceiling-mounted unit. Software and pricing. The EYE XR launch monitor has a starting price of $6,999 and includes Uneekor's View software, which gives golfers immediate access to a virtual driving range where you can see ball and club data, club replays, and other practice tools. For software subscriptions with Uneekor, Uneekor also has yearly subscriptions where you can add to your EYE XR to boost your indoor golf experience. You can upgrade to the Pro package for $199 a year, which gives you 4 additional profiles, 500 Power U reports, and Uneekor's refined software of 5 courses. You can upgrade further to their Champion package at $399 a year that gives you 50 profiles, 1,000 Power U reports, and 20 refined courses. Their final upgrade is the Ultimate package at $599 a year that gives you 100 profiles and includes their AI trainer and their game day software. If you are looking to use third-party golf software options with your EYE XR, you will need to have the Pro subscription, and this unlocks the use of GSPro or E6 Connect. This unit is really built for both training and fun. You can deep dive into swing analysis, or you can just play around with your friends. It handles both very well. Compared to other systems on the market, Uneekor has worked tirelessly on their software to make it stand out amongst the rest of their competition, but I would say their software does a very good job of being both accurate and it gives you a very good bang for your buck compared to the other add-on software out there. The features are strong, especially with third-party support, and their advanced tools are worth the upgrade if you're looking for technical data. We know that there are a lot of options available when selecting the launch monitor for your golf simulator. The EYE XR is a ceiling-mounted unit that mounts behind the golfer, different from other Uneekor units that mount in front of or sit on the floor next to the ball. Compared to old models like the QED, the EYE XR removes the need for marked balls and club stickers. Compared to higher-end Uneekor options, it delivers a lot of the same core performance at a more approachable price point. What really makes the EYE XR stand out is how balanced it feels. It's professional grade and it's still very user-friendly. This is a great launch monitor for a home or commercial setting. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our support team and you can learn more about or purchase the EYE XR at shopindoorgolf.com.